if performing a step test is not practical? What procedure do you recommend?
So for some processes, you just cannot do a step test. In this case, we could do a few things. So we can do set point changes. So make some set point changes, wait until your process has come to some level of stability. And then our Loop Pro Tuner software tuning Loop Pro Tuner tool has the ability to infer your model parameters from just set point changes that are made while the loop is in automatic. So even though we recommend bump test as the tried and true method, we can still get away with using just the set point changes as a way of determining your tuning parameter or model parameters and therefore derive tuning parameters from that.
You can't really do step changes or step tests for temperature. A lot of the temperature set point changes that people are doing, those are also like ramp rate limited. So like we are moving 0.1 Celsius at a time. So I think I relate to that question a lot. So for us, it's understanding that process and the knobs that you have, right? So in our case, based on the process knowledge, process history, we know that the gain is going to change, and we start off with the point that, okay, the cost of over controlling is lower than under controlling. So if you don't control properly, you're going to pay for it a lot more. So we're okay with having some noise or some over aggressive action at a lower region. So we're essentially like understanding that process, knowing your objectives, and then when the time comes when you are having that temperature is in a different region or throughput is in the different region, we're watching or we're looking at that performance of the controller. And that simulation example that I showed, we are raising the rates, and now we can see that the controller is not doing, it was doing fine at half of the rates, but now it is not. Now that is the call to action for us.